In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view your Gmail password while you're logged in, specifically if you're using Chrome on your desktop and you've previously saved your password in the browser. This can be a useful tip for those times when you've forgotten your password but need to access it quickly for another device or service. First, let's ensure that you've opened Google Chrome on your computer. Once there, look towards the top right corner of your browser window. You'll notice three vertical dots. Go ahead and click on them. This will open a drop-down menu. From this menu, you'll want to select the option labeled Settings. This is where all general settings related to your Chrome browser are managed. After clicking into the Settings menu, you'll need to find the section called Autofill. Now, Autofill is a feature that stores things like passwords and addresses, making it easy to quickly fill in forms online. Within Autofill, you'll notice a specific option for passwords. Click on it. This will take you into the area of Chrome where all your saved passwords are listed. Once you're in the password section, it's time to search for the specific password entry you're interested in. In this case, you'll want to look for entries related to Google accounts. So go ahead and type either accounts.google.com or gmail.com into the search bar. Chrome will then display any saved security information related to these sites. Next, you'll see a list that includes your Gmail account details. To view the concealed password, look for an icon that resembles an eye, located next to the password entry you'd like to see. Clicking this eye icon is what allows you to reveal the password. Now here's an important security step. Chrome will prompt you to authenticate your identity for security purposes. Depending on your system, you may be asked to enter your computer's password or use biometrics like a fingerprint scan. This ensures that only the rightful owner of the computer can access saved passwords. Once you've successfully authenticated yourself, Chrome will reveal the password to you. Be sure to take note of it, especially if you're planning to enter it into another device or application immediately. And there you have it. Viewing your saved Gmail password within Chrome is straightforward and secure, provided you follow these steps carefully. Remember to be mindful of your security and privacy when handling passwords and consider updating them regularly to maintain strong account protection. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tech tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find managing your online accounts becomes just a bit